Hi dear friends, how are you? Today we'll talk about YT Studio. Everything about YT Studio. If you are managing YouTube account and if you are YouTuber, then obviously you should know YT Studio, from where you can manage your YouTube channel in a proper way from one single application. Okay, if you are Android user, then you can go to Play Store, and if you are iOS user, then obviously you can go to App Store from your iOS device. Then just open this YT Studio. This is YouTube Studio. Okay, just go to Play Store or App Store, then search, just you should type YT Studio. You will get this one. Okay, after you install this one, just open it. It will reload your Google account. Okay, then you can see here at the front page, you can click view more. You can see here what is the activities in your Facebook account. Okay, real-time view you are getting from the top, and real-time view top videos. What are the top videos in 48 hours you will get. Okay, view then watch hour. So if you want to watch your 365 days watch hour, it is 666.7. Okay, so if you change it to 7 days 8 hour, actually I am not using this channel for long time due to my busy schedule. I couldn't open this channel. After a long time I'm opening this channel. I'm managing another channel also, that's why. So after then, here is the front page. Okay, top videos you can see here, and if you go to reach, what is the impression click-through rate, it should not be actually more than 11 percentage, more than 11 percentage, otherwise your YouTube account may be banned or something. Okay, if it is less than 10%, it is considered good. Okay, so you can see here traffic source, from where I'm getting traffic source in my YouTube channel. Actually it is all from YouTube source. Okay, so you can see here YouTube, type YouTube search term, what the keywords is located in my channel that make bringing visitor to my channel. This is the search term. Top video suggesting your content, which content is suggesting my videos in my channel. This is the one. Okay, engagement, you can see engagement. Okay, engagement you can see here. Actually this channel there is not that much audience, so engagement there is no that much things. And audience, from where I'm getting audience, you can see top geography. So it is same. YouTube Studio you are loading from your desktop. Okay, but if desktop is not available, it is little. If you load desktop view from your mobile devices, it is little complicated, right? So it is not like this one I am using from single one app. So if you want to edit any videos, then go to your videos, simply go click your videos, then just edit here. So you can edit your title, description, tag, everything. There is no any tag in this video. I didn't put any tag. So if you want to tag here, you can put your tag. So simply type then put comma. Okay, automatically it will load. GN global design from Mobo BIC, like this you can type. So you can add, then you can save, right? And you can share. And if you want to open this video in your YouTube main application, then you can click to YouTube, and from same video you can see here analytics. This is the, I think this is the perfect way to manage your YouTube account. If you are a YouTuber, or if you have YouTube account, then in a simple way you can manage your YouTube account from YT Studio app. So this was the tips from my side for today. Thanks for seeing this video. If you think this video help you, kindly consider subscribe, so you and please press bell notification icon also, so you don't miss any upcoming video in future. Thank you to be with this video till end. See you in another video.